How's it going, everybody? We're back for another episode. Today we're going to be pulling out all of the wiring and lines and stuff that's going to be necessary or might be necessary to put it into the 250 chassis. So all of the electronics, the carburetors, the controls, stuff like that is all going to come out today. I'm going to try and label everything as best as I can, but I do have a wiring diagram. So when I go to wire things into the 250, it's not going to be a big deal. Most of the connectors are pretty specific, so I think we'll be alright there. I'm going to try and film as best as I can and get some good footage of everything that's coming off of this. So yeah, let's get to it. That is the whole wiring harness, from the dash all the way down to the tail lights. I know it seems like a lot, but when you think about it, really in comparison to a car or something, that's a pretty basic wiring harness. I've got everything labeled and shouldn't be too hard to get it back into the new bike. that's going to be it for today. It wasn't too hard. Took me a few hours to get through that, just labeling everything and stuff, but really it's a pretty simple system, so it's all out of the bike now and should be ready to go back into the next one as soon as we get everything ready. Now that we've got all the boring work out of the way, next episode we're going to start actually tearing down the engine, start getting ready to make some power, port, polish, clean everything up. I've already got stacks of new parts coming in the mail, and it's definitely getting pretty exciting. We've got all sorts of new stuff, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.